Hello everyone. From today we are going to start our general clinical repertories. So our first repertory is Clinical Repertory by Dr. J.H. Clark. It is based on Dictionary of Mathematica published in the year 1904. The Dictionary of Mathematica was also published by J.H. Clark only. Plan and construction. The five main chapters of this repertory is: first is Clinical Repertory, second is Repertory of Causation, third is Repertory of Temperaments, Disposition, Constitution, and States. Fourth is Repertory of Clinical Relationships. Fifth is Repertory of Natural Relationships. Rubrics are arranged in alphabetical order in all the five parts of the repertory. Thus, it is a alphabetical clinical repertory. Total number of medicines enlisted are 1063, out of which 52 abbreviations have appeared twice. Thus, the actual number of medicines becomes 1011 after subtracting the medicines which are repeated twice. There is no gradation in this repertory. Typography is of two types: italics and ordinary Roman. Italics means the medicine has also prescribed in the prescriber. That is another clinical repertory of J.H. Clark. Every medicine begins with capital letter, and second part of the medicine always start with small letter. The abbreviations used are generally from the cipher repertory. For example, letter X indicates acid in this repertory. So nitric X means nitric acid. So the main points are: Clinical Repertory published by J.H. Clark, which is based on Dictionary of Mathematica published in the year 1904. It has five main chapters. It is an alphabetical clinical repertory. Total medicines are 1063, but actual number of medicines is 1011. There is no gradation in this repertory. There is two type of typography: italics and ordinary Roman. Italics means that the medicine has also appeared in the another repertory, that is the prescriber. Like we have seen in other repertories that italics is used to tell the gradation of the medicine, but here italics means that the medicine has appeared in another repertory. Every medicine begins with capital letter, and second part of the medicine starts with small letter. Abbreviation has been taken from the cipher repertory, and X indicates acid. Thank you.